Welcome back. Today we are calculating this order of operations problem. 3 times 16 divided by 4 minus 5 to the 0 power. Let's break it down step by step using PEMDAS so we don't fall into any common arithmetic traps. According to the order of operations, we must start inside the parentheses first. That means our very first focus is evaluating 16 divided by 4. Step 1. Divide 16 by 4, which gives 4. Substituting 4 back into our expression leaves us with 3 times 4 minus 5 to the 0 power. Next, we look at exponents, which take priority over multiplication and subtraction. We need to evaluate 5 to the 0 power. Step 2. Evaluate 5 to the 0 power. Always remember the zero exponent rule. Any non-zero number raised to the power of 0 equals 1. Replacing 5 to the 0 power with 1 simplifies our expression to 3 times 4 minus 1. Now we have multiplication and subtraction remaining. Multiplication outranks subtraction, so we must evaluate 3 times 4 before doing any subtraction. Step 3. 3 times 4 equals 12. Now our expression is simply 12 minus 1. Step 4. Perform the subtraction. 12 minus 1 equals 11. So our true final answer is 11.